Seniors, stop taking these 3 vitamins. They are destroying your leg strength. Are you feeling unsteady on your feet? Do you experience muscle weakness, cramps, or even falls? It might not be aging. It could be the very vitamins you're taking every day. Did you know that some vitamins you take every day could secretly weaken your legs? Yes, instead of making you stronger, certain supplements might be robbing your muscles of power, making it harder to walk, climb stairs, or even stand up. If you're over 60, your leg strength is crucial for mobility, independence, and preventing falls. But taking the wrong vitamins can drain your energy, cause muscle cramps, and even lead to serious health issues. Vitamin number 1, vitamin E, the hidden muscle weakener. Many people take vitamin E for heart health and skin benefits. But did you know that too much can cause muscle weakness and leg instability? Vitamin E is an antioxidant, but excess amounts can disrupt nerve function, leading to numbness, weakness, and loss of coordination in your legs. High doses can reduce muscle tone, making it harder to stand, walk, and balance properly. What to do instead? Get vitamin E from natural sources like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach, which provide safe levels without overloading your body. Vitamin number 2, vitamin B6. When too much becomes dangerous, vitamin B6 is essential for nerve function and red blood cell production, but excessive doses can lead to serious problems. Vitamin B6 is needed for nerve communication, but taking too much can cause nerve toxicity, leading to pain, tingling, and leg weakness. Overuse of vitamin B6 has been linked to neuropathy, a condition that makes your legs feel numb and weak, making walking extremely difficult. Many seniors take B6 supplements without realizing they're getting enough from their diet. Foods like bananas, potatoes, and poultry already provide what your body needs. What to do instead? Stick to the recommended daily intake and get B6 from whole foods instead of high-dose supplements. Vitamin number 3, vitamin A, the bone and muscle weakener. Vitamin A is crucial for vision and immune health, but too much can be dangerous for your bones and muscles. Vitamin A helps cell growth, but excessive amounts weaken bones and reduce muscle function, leading to poor leg stability and a higher risk of fractures. Studies show that seniors who take high-dose vitamin A supplements are at a greater risk of osteoporosis, weak legs, and hip fractures. If you're taking multivitamins or fish liver oil supplements, you might be getting too much vitamin A without even knowing it. Focus on beta-carotene-rich foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers, which allow your body to convert only what it needs. What should you take instead? The best vitamins for strong legs. Instead of these harmful vitamins, focus on nutrients that support leg strength and mobility. Vitamin D and calcium. Keep bones and muscles strong. Salmon, dairy, leafy greens. Magnesium. Reduces cramps and improves muscle function. Avocados, nuts, seeds. Omega-3s. Reduces inflammation and strengthens leg muscles. Flax seeds, walnuts, fatty fish. Pair these with daily movement, like walking and light strength exercises to restore and maintain your leg strength. Now you know the 3 dangerous vitamins that may be weakening your legs and the right nutrients to replace them. Comment below, did you find this helpful? Which vitamins surprised you the most? Subscribe now for weekly videos on senior health, strength, and natural remedies. Turn on notifications so you never miss a health-saving tip.